everyone, today I'd like to show you that how you can install all the important Python packages by only using the notepad. So let's go to our current folder, and I have already written all the Python commands which you can install using pip. So I'm gonna open the pip command notepad folder. So let's open the folder. So friends, you can see that I have already written all the pip requests so that we can just copy or paste all these required items to our command line. So I'm gonna copy by pressing Ctrl+A. So now we are going to copy all the required commands and then go to the search bar and type C and D. So in the latest update of Windows 10, it is seen that the command prompt is actually taking permission from the admin or from the administrator. So we're gonna run the command prompt as administrator. Yes, so we're gonna now copy and paste all the required packages. As you can see that my system has already installed all those packages, but when you install all those packages in your system, then you will see that it will take some time, not really much time, but it will take less time, I think so. It actually depends on internet connection. So let's see that which package in a system is not installed. Actually in my system every package is installed as I have written it earlier. I'm gonna press the enter. So you see that all the packages are installed properly. So when you are going to search for pip commands, I think that is really a hassle to find all of these commands. So you can easily get these commands from this pip written in the notepad. Thank you.